did not think I was gonna like Latisha. First of all, how is this even synthetic? Nobody is gonna tell me nothing right now, okay? Nothing.
Hey girlies, we are here with Sensationnel's What Lace Latisha unit, and when I tell you guys this is gonna be your new wig, this is gonna be your new favorite wig, okay? So this is the overall construction of the unit. It has combs and elastic band. It says it's a 13 by 6, but y'all know how that go. Anyway, this is what it looks like on my mannequin head, y'all. The hairline eats down. The texture of the hair is giving us yak-y. It's so full, it's so natural looking, and y'all, it does not feel synthetic-y at all. I love that for me. But these curls was tea, okay? They nice, soft, fluffy, bouncy. Yes. All right, so we're gonna start off by tinting the lace. Of course, I already tell you guys all the time that you need to tint your lace. I feel like using tinting spray on synthetic wigs is a better option. It just looks more natural. So this is what it looks like, and as you guys can see, it looks amazing. Now it does come with baby hairs. We're not doing them today. I'm sorry, we're not. I can't. Look at these curls. Y'all can tell I was feeling myself, y'all. Don't play. So this is the up close view of the hairline. It's super natural looking. Like I said, you don't need to do any work. Don't do no work. Now with the hot comb, I will advise you that if you have it turned up, I had it on 10, it will change the texture of the unit. So y'all can see it's pretty much morphing into like this silky yak-y texture. So if you don't want it to do that, just turn your hot comb down on the setting of like 1 and you'll be fine. Okay, so as far as cutting off the lace, first of all, I want to say this unit is big head friendly. It was super big. I had so much room in there. So this is definitely for my girls with the bigger head. As far as the ear tabs, there's not really much a ear tab section. If you cut too much, you're cutting into the combs. So you could push it behind your ear, but it's not going to lay super flat. So we're going to go ahead and lay this unit down. I'm using my Kiss Lace Spray. Y'all know I rave about this product so much. Obsessed, completely obsessed. Now that it's getting cooler outside, I don't use too much, you know, layers because you don't need that much, but to each his own. Y'all already know the drill. You're going to go ahead and let it get tacky, and then you're just going to place your wig where you place the product, and you're going to make sure you're making sure the wig is nice and flat using the back of your comb, and then going in with your blow dryer to allow it to dry. Now, before I do that, I do go in with that Kiss Lace Spray on the outside to melt it down as well. I'm trying to, kill two birds with one stone. That's what I'm trying to do. But I wanted to see how well this product would melt outside the lace as well. And I love it. I thought it was going to be, sticky and things of that nature, but it wasn't. Also, I didn't use any wax on this hair because y'all know synthetic wigs already come with a shine. So don't use no wax. One thing I love about Sensationnel's lace, it just looks like skin. It looks like scalp. Nobody can tell you nothing. I don't care. They can try, but it just melts in super, super flawlessly. Now I'm going in with some more of my tinting spray. I sprayed some on the brush. That way it could blend in a little bit better. I'm also going to grab my favorite melting band, and we're going to put this on and let that sit for 10 minutes. Alright, so after 10 minutes, this is what it's looking like. I love how everything is coming together. We're going in with our comb to create a flawless middle part. There's so many different styles that you can do with this unit, and I love how deep this part goes. Like I said, it is a 13 by 6 lace frontal, but you have more parting space in the middle than you do on the ends. So I really feel like I shouldn't use that Sebastian spray because it definitely created a lot of shine up there. And y'all know I really try to stay away from shine because the units come with shine as it is, but it's already done. If you don't want to look extra shiny, don't do this stuff. Don't use this product. Hot comb it without using any product. So y'all know I like to create volume in the front of my unit because, baby, why not? Why not? You don't have to do this either, but it's just to each his own. So I'm using my cream foundation to redefine my part. So lastly, I'm just going in to detangle this unit. I wanted to see, you know, what the curls would look like if I comb them out lightly. Now, I didn't want to get rid of the curls all the way because I love the curls how they are. Y'all, this unit is so thick, it's so full. I'm just obsessed with it. The density on this unit is amazing. Now, that's why I say it would be a great wig for the fall winter, because you're not going to be hot at all, y'all. You're going to be sitting cute and not hot, and that's what we here for. Now, I did get some shedding and detangling during this process. I think I speak about that in the final, you know, review. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna, you know, sit the curls how I want them to lay.
That is it for today's video. When I tell you guys I'm obsessed, I'm gonna give this unit, what I'm gonna give it? I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10, only because you couldn't really cut around the ear tab so it can fit perfectly. As far as tangling, they get some tangling trying to detangle the hair for the first time, and I also got shedding when I was doing that as well, so it will shed and will tangle. The texture of it doesn't feel like the 𝐿𝐼𝐻 virgin hair units, but it is giving like a slight 𝐿𝐼𝐻 texture feel. It doesn't feel synthetic at all, so that's on that. I just can't believe. Anyway, definitely a wig that you got a special occasion to go to, you get her. I could not dress this wig down. I could not just put on a t-shirt and just wear this wig because it's too grand, my girl. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's install. Let me know what you think of Miss Latisha. I think that's her name. Yes, Miss Latisha. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.